Welcome to this quick demo of how to use Sunrise Stake's offset bridge. The offset bridge effectively consists of two parts, a state contract on Solana, as well as a holding contract on Polygon. Hence, in order to be able to use the offset bridge as a prerequisite, you need to connect two wallets, a wallet compatible with Solana containing some Sol, as well as a wallet compatible with Polygon containing some Matic. Thus, as a first step, just go ahead and connect your wallets. After you've connected both, you can go ahead and select a carbon project of your liking via the drop-down menu. Right now, you can choose from multiple Toucan projects. In the future, however, more projects from other third parties will be accessible via the offset bridge as well. Once you've chosen a project, you can click on the respective hyperlink to be redirected to the projects page for checking its details. Also, after you've selected the project, you can see how many carbon tokens are still available to be acquired and retired. Once you've chosen a project, click the Update button to create the holding contract on Polygon by confirming the transaction. Next, set up the state contract on Solana by confirming the transaction in your Solana wallet as well. Things I've already done with my wallet. Now, by clicking Next, you can get to the second step where you're able to choose the amount of funds to be spent for carbon offsetting. As of now, the offsetting bridge allows you to either spend SOL or USDC. After you've decided the funds to be spent, you can see how many offsets, measured in metric tons of CO2, of the respective carbon project you've picked in the first step will be retired. If you would rather like to specify the amount of metric tons of carbon you want to retire than the amount of SOL or USDC to be spent, you can just use the toggle down at the bottom of the page and switch from SOL to carbon. Now, after that is done, select Deposit and Swap, effectively swapping, in this case, SOL, to Polygon wrapped USDC on Jupiter. Moving on, as a third step, you can then continue bridging the Polygon wrapped USDC from Solana to Polygon via wormhole by clicking the according button. Note that especially retrieving the receipt from the wormhole bridge might take a few minutes. This is due to security reasons. Once the funds have been sent via wormhole, you can just press the redeem button to receive the funds on the holding contract on Polygon mainnet. By doing so, in the backend, the bridged USDC are sent to the so-called carbon offset settler, swapping the USDC for carbon tokens. In this case, Toucan's NCT. By confirming the transaction in your Polygon wallet and clicking Next, you get to the next step where you are able to, by pressing the Retire button, now retire the NCT against retirement certificates in the form of an NFT. As of now, this retirement certificate for the project you've specified before still is being held on Polygon. Once this is done, to bridge the retirement certificate, so the impact NFT from Polygon to Solana, in the fifth step, just click the bridge button on the redeem page. This again might take a few hours, as bridging from Polygon to Solana via wormhole again is slowed down a bit sometimes for security reasons. However, after that is done, you can redeem the certificate on Solana by pressing the respective button and confirming the transactions in your Solana wallet. Congratulations, you made it. You officially offset some carbon and received the retirement certificate on Solana. If you like, you can click Next to get to the view page where you're able to also see the metadata of the retirement certificate by clicking the according hyperlink.